Okay, next up is I'm going to do a wipe reveal. So I'm going to add my text and I'm just going to type in the word wipe, 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 wipe it off. I don't know why. Sorry, guys. Okay, so then I'm going to grab my move tool and I like things to be centered. And here it is. So I'm putting my wipe right in the middle. I'm going to trim my wipe by pressing Option, close bracket. So it's going to start right here. And then I'm going to make sure that everything is deselected down here in my layers panel. Okay, then I'm going to choose a shape and I'm going to make sure I have a fill. Doesn't matter what color it is. Okay, and then for your stroke, you're just going to make sure that that's set to 0. Why is it not set to 0? 0. Okay, next up, you're just going to draw a shape right over the word wipe. Okay, so you just make sure it's like center it as much as possible, but make sure it covers the entire word. Okay, in order to make this work, the word that you're animating, so in this case, I'm animating wipe, the rectangle needs to be right above that wipe. Okay, so I'm going to select my wipe. And then what I'm going to do is something called track mat. So I go up to my help because you know help is my best friend. I'm going to go to track mat and then under here where it says layer track mat, I'm going to choose that to alpha mate. So here's what that does, you guys. What that does is anywhere I place that rectangle, the word wipe will be visible. But if I move it out of that rectangle, so watch if I click and drag, wipe is going to disappear. Whoop, whoop, right? So it's only going to appear where that rectangle is. So now I'm just going to add a position animation. So what I'm going to do again is I'm going to take my anchor point, move it to the middle, just to make sure that it comes out where I want it. I'm going to click on my wipe layer, make sure it's selected. P for position. Okay, so I'm going to move my playhead forward to where I want that wipe to show up at the end. And I'm going to add that anchor point. Okay, so then I am going to move my playhead to where the wipe starts. Make sure I click my select tool and I'm going to move wipe up here. Make it really straight. Okay, and let's see what happens. Play. That is another slow wipe, my friends.